Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone on Flipkart easily. First, ensure you gather all original accessories like the charger and earphones, as these can significantly enhance your selling price. Next, take a moment to back up all your important personal data to a cloud service or another device. Finally, complete a thorough factory reset on your phone, which safely erases all your private information and prepares the device for its new owner. Accurately assess your phone's physical condition, carefully noting any scratches, dents, or screen imperfections, as these details impact the final offer. Thoroughly check all core functions, like the camera, speaker, microphone, and charging port, ensuring everything works perfectly. You will also need to have essential device details readily available, such as the exact model name, storage capacity, and the original purchase date, which is crucial for the listing process. Navigate to the Sell Old Phone section, conveniently located within the Flipkart application. Once there, accurately input your phone's specific model and diligently answer a series of questions regarding its physical appearance and functional status. Be truthful and detailed in your responses, as this information directly influences the quoted value. Flipkart will then present you with an instant, estimated price for your device, usually within a minute or two, based on your submitted information. Once you accept the offered price, proceed to schedule a convenient pickup time and date directly through the Flipkart platform. A Flipkart executive will then visit your specified location to physically inspect the phone, ensuring its condition precisely matches your provided details. Following this successful verification, you will receive your payment instantly, often through your preferred digital method or a direct bank transfer, completing the sale seamlessly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.